Hello and welcome to Riva Kitchen. If you're wondering what a few fresh basil leaves can do for you every day, you'd be surprised. Here's a list, rather, a long list of health benefits of tulsi leaves. Stay tuned to know more about this queen of herbs. Holy basil has been shown to have antidepressant and anti-anxiety properties similar to antidepressant drugs. Studies have shown that it can help people feel more social and less anxious. Holy basil is also high in antioxidants and help your body detox. Studies have shown that holy basil can protect your body against toxic chemicals. It may also prevent cancer by reducing the growth of cancerous cells. Extracts made from its leaves are thought to boost wound healing speed and strength. Holy basil is antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and a painkiller, analgesic. Some people even use holy basil after surgery to heal and protect their wounds. Basil increases your wounds breaking strength, healing time, and contraction. Basil is known to help people with hypertension and high blood cholesterol. Basil leaves pack a lot of antioxidants which carry anti-aging benefits. Eating basil leaves raw or using them in salads, smoothies, or using them in any dish can help you get its anti-aging benefits. Not just that, the leaves have antimicrobial properties too, which means your skin looks young and stays that way for a long time. Basil is known to help people with hypertension and high blood cholesterol by preventing the formation of clots in your arteries. This lowers your risk of heart diseases, and there are various studies that show that it does help. Did you know that humble tulsi is a natural remedy for sore throat and various respiratory illnesses? Yes, just boil the leaves in water and drink it up. You'd be happy to know that basil leaves can remove oral plaque. This is due to the leaves having antibacterial properties, thus preventing the buildup of oral plaque. Unlike OTC antibacterial medications which come with side effects, basil effectively removes plaque naturally with zero complications. Fresh basil leaves gives you hepatoprotective benefits. They stimulate the production of cytochrome enzyme which helps with detoxification and removing metabolic waste from the body. Thus, tulsi prevents liver damage. Fresh basil leaves protect you from stings and bites from bugs and other insects. Just chewing or crushing on these leaves and applying on the bitten areas helps reduce pain and extracts the poison injected. Pain in joints, stiff knees, and longer recovery times after workouts are signs of inflammation in the body. Basil leaves beat inflammation as they have a compound known as eucalyptol, which is popular for relieving inflammation. It boosts your blood circulation, stimulates the production of fluid in the joints, and lubricates them, making it a natural analgesic. If your immunity is low, you'll be more likely to catch a common cold, flu, and various other infections or illnesses. During the cold or rainy days, when you are most likely to catch a fever, boiling a few fresh basil leaves and consuming them is a good way to protect yourself. A strong immune system also means that you'd be less likely to contract respiratory infections like bronchitis and lung infection since it liquefies phlegm. The extracts of this herb have also been medicinally used over the years to heal wounds faster and treat any infections post medical treatment and surgeries. Plaque buildup in the arteries is one of the biggest causes of coronary heart diseases and atherosclerosis. The antioxidant activity of basil leaves is known to dilate and contract your blood vessels, thus removing the plaque and lowering your risk of such lifestyle diseases. The use of tulsi in Ayurveda and other circles has been recognized centuries ago. The herb has been used to treat headaches and migraines too. Basil leaves pack a lot of nutrition and nourish your scalp. Besides supplying your hair follicles with the required nutrients, the paste has hydration properties too and moisturizes your hair. This eliminates itching and boosts blood circulation to the scalp, thus stimulating hair growth and leading to strong and shiny hair. The nutrients in basil feed the good bacteria in your gut, giving you better abdominal health. Good abdominal health means you won't be prone to stomach aches, flatulence, and constipation. It'll get rid of the gasiness too. Basil leaves are known to unclog the pores in your skin and hydrate them. They get rid of the dirt, grime, and flush out the toxins from your skin, thus cleansing and revitalizing your face. Poor eye health is due to numerous problems like conjunctivitis, irritation in the eyes, injections, and inflammatory responses. Basil scavenges and protects the eyes from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. It prevents macular degeneration too and plays a role in the treatment of cataracts and various vision disorders. There are many ways to incorporate basil in your daily life. You can cook it, take it in a supplement form, or make a tea with it. However, always make sure to speak with your doctor before incorporating holy basil or any other supplement into your diet. Like many supplements, holy basil is not approved as a first-line treatment. It may also interact with medications you're already taking. So, isn't that a wonderful information to be shared with your loved ones? So go ahead and share the video, hit that like button, and subscribe to my channel for more such information. I thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video.